Hello everyone. Welcome back. Sipadan is the only oceanic island in Malaysia. Sipadan is one of the most beautiful scuba diving spots in the world. Sipadan is the only oceanic island in Malaysia. The huge pillar that forms the atoll functions as a shelter for many sea animals and fish. Furthermore, there are only a few places in the world that have such a concentration of sea turtles. Sipadan is not easy to visit. You can only stay at the surrounding islands Mabul and Kapalai. The permits these days make it even harder to dive at Sipadan because only a handful of people per day may dive at the small island. Regulations permit 120 dives per day. So it is important to get your Sipadan diving permit in advance. To get your permit, you have to book a diving or non-diving package to Sipadan Island. The longer your stay, the bigger your chance of obtaining a permit. Do know that accommodation at Mabul or Kapalai is not that cheap. Budget travelers that find Mabul or Kapalai too expensive or when the facilities are fully booked could opt to stay at the village of Sempurna. Thank you for watching.
I'm talking about the